Tech fam! Welcome back to Lara Tech. Today we're taking a look at a revolutionary new vehicle from Mercedes-Benz, the 2025 EQG. This isn't your typical electric SUV, it's the iconic G-Class, completely transformed for the electric era. So buckle in and get ready to explore the future of off-roading. The G-Class goes electric, a new era begins. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class is legendary. Renowned for its ruggedness, off-road prowess, and timeless boxy design, it's a symbol of capability and luxury. But the times are changing, and Mercedes is embracing the future with the all-electric EQG. This isn't just about slapping an electric motor onto the existing G-Class. The EQG is a ground-up redesign, built for the specific demands of electric vehicles. While staying true to the G-Class heritage, it introduces innovative features and technologies that push the boundaries of off-road capability in the electric age. Classic design, modern power. One look at the EQG, and you know it's a G-Class. The boxy silhouette, the round headlights, the imposing stance, it retains all the character of its predecessor. But look closer, and you'll see subtle yet significant changes. The grille is now closed off, a hallmark of electric vehicles. The lighting elements have been redesigned for a more modern look. Overall, the design maintains the G-Class's iconic presence while incorporating futuristic touches that hint at the electric power lurking beneath the hood, or shall we say, the lack thereof. Uncompromising off-road capability. The G-Class is famous for conquering any terrain, and the EQG promises not to disappoint. Mercedes has gone to great lengths to ensure the EQG retains its off-road prowess. Here's where things get interesting. The EQG boasts 4 electric motors, one for each wheel. This revolutionary setup provides incredible control and torque, allowing the EQG to tackle challenging terrain with ease. Additionally, the EQG utilizes a robust ladder frame similar to the traditional G-Class, providing a solid foundation for off-road adventures. But what about that low-range gearing essential for off-roading? Don't worry, Mercedes has that covered too. The EQG incorporates a unique 2-speed gearbox that mimics the low-ratio reduction gear of the gas-powered G-Class, ensuring the EQG can handle even the most demanding inclines and descents. Power, performance, and range. With 4 electric motors working in unison, the EQG promises impressive performance. While official figures haven't been released yet, we can expect exhilarating acceleration and ample power for any adventure. Range anxiety? Not here. One of the biggest concerns with electric vehicles is range anxiety. Mercedes understands this, and the EQG is expected to be equipped with a large battery pack, likely similar to the one found in the EQS SUV. This translates to a range well over 300 miles on a single charge, potentially even reaching close to 400 miles with the most efficient models. This should be enough to conquer most off-road excursions and everyday commutes without worry. Charging on the go, staying fueled for adventure. The EQG will be compatible with DC fast charging, allowing you to replenish the battery quickly and conveniently during road trips or outings. With the capability to charge from 10% to 80% in around 30 minutes, you'll spend less time waiting and more time exploring. Interior luxury meets technology. The interior of the EQG is expected to be a blend of rugged functionality and luxurious comfort. Just like the traditional G-Class, we can expect premium materials, comfortable seating, and the latest technology advancements. It proves that electric vehicles can be just as capable and adventurous as their gas-powered counterparts. With its impressive performance, long range, and off-road prowess, the EQG is poised to redefine the future of exploring the great outdoors. Stay tuned. As we get closer to the official launch, more information about the EQG will undoubtedly surface. We'll be sure to keep you updated on all the latest developments, so stay tuned. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQG, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content on the latest electric vehicles and automotive innovations. Let me know what you think about the EQG in the comments below. Would you consider taking an electric vehicle off-road?
Big D made it.